What I wish I knew about vaginal health when I was younger. It's one of those topics that doesn't get enough attention, yet it's so crucial for our overall well-being. When I was a teenager, I had so many questions and so few answers. I wish someone had sat me down and explained the basics, the do's and don'ts, and the little things that can make a big difference. So let's dive into some top tips for better vaginal health that every woman should know. Here's the lowdown on keeping things fresh and fabulous. It's not just about feeling good. It's about maintaining a healthy balance and preventing issues before they start. A healthy vagina is a happy vagina, and there are simple steps you can take to ensure it stays that way. First up, hydration is key. You might not realize it, but drinking enough water is essential for your vaginal health. Staying hydrated helps your body maintain its natural balance, which in turn keeps your vaginal tissues healthy and well lubricated. When you're dehydrated, everything from your skin to your internal organs can suffer, and your vagina is no exception. Drinking plenty of water helps keep everything balanced down there. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. If plain water isn't your thing, try infusing it with fruits or herbs for a refreshing twist. Remember, your body is made up of about 60% water, so keeping hydrated is crucial for all your bodily functions, including vaginal health. Next, cotton underwear is your best friend. It might not be the sexiest option, but it's definitely the healthiest. Cotton is breathable and helps to keep moisture at bay, which is important for preventing infections and irritation. Synthetic fabrics can trap moisture and heat, creating a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and yeast. It lets your skin breathe and avoids unwanted moisture. Avoid douching. This is a big one. Your vagina is a self-cleaning wonder, and it doesn't need any help from harsh chemicals or scented products. Douching can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and pH levels, leading to infections and other issues. Your vagina is a self-cleaning wonder. It has its own natural cleaning system that works best when left alone. Using harsh soaps, douches, or scented products can do more harm than good. Stick to gentle, unscented soaps for the external areas, and let your body take care of the rest. Douching messes with its natural balance. It can wash away the good bacteria that help keep your vagina healthy, making you more susceptible to infections. If you feel the need to freshen up, a simple rinse with warm water is usually enough. Trust your body's natural processes. Instead, stick to gentle, unscented soaps. These are less likely to cause irritation or disrupt your natural balance. When it comes to vaginal health, less is often more. Avoid anything with strong fragrances or harsh chemicals and opt for products that are designed for sensitive skin. Speaking of balance, probiotics are great for maintaining healthy bacteria. These beneficial bacteria can help keep your vaginal flora in check, preventing infections and promoting overall health. You can find probiotics in supplements, as well as in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. Now let's talk about periods. Menstrual hygiene is a crucial aspect of vaginal health. It's important to change your tampons and pads regularly to avoid irritation or infections. Leaving a tampon in for too long can create a breeding ground for bacteria, leading to conditions like toxic shock syndrome. Change tampons and pads regularly to avoid irritation or infections. Aim to change them every 4-6 hours or more frequently if your flow is heavy. If you prefer menstrual cups, make sure to clean them thoroughly between uses. Good menstrual hygiene can go a long way in keeping your vagina healthy. And give your body some love with a balanced diet. What you eat can have a big impact on your vaginal health. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria and support your overall well-being. Foods rich in vitamins and probiotics can work wonders. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. Foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are great sources of probiotics. A healthy diet can help boost your immune system and keep your vaginal flora in balance. Finally, listen to your body. Your body has a way of telling you when something is off. Pay attention to any changes in discharge, odor, or discomfort. These can be signs that something isn't right, and it's important to address them promptly. If something feels off, don't hesitate to consult your doctor. Regular checkups with your gynecologist are important for maintaining vaginal health. They can help catch any potential issues early and provide you with personalized advice and care. Remember, your vaginal health is just as important as any other part of your body. Taking care of it should be a priority, not an afterthought. Embrace your body and treat it with the care and respect it deserves. Stay fabulous and take care. That's it for now. I hope these tips help you feel more confident and informed about your vaginal health. Remember, it's all about balance, care, and listening to your body. Catch you next time with more tips to keep you feeling amazing. Until then, stay healthy and happy. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and visit our website for additional resources and information. Stay informed and take charge of your health.